Hello, Joe fans. Indian Toy Gani is back with one more G.I. Joe to review. Well, the code name is obviously Tunnel Rat. Well, it is one of the most popular G.I. Joe characters, despite his character never getting much development either in the classic Marvel comics or in his sole animated appearance during Vintage Line 1987 G.I. Joe the movie. Well, Tunnel Rat is indisputably cool, both in the old comic as well as in the movie. Well, figure itself is excellent with a unique, gritty look that still fits into military realism, while still having enough quirks to be memorable. Fans love his backpack and strange looking scoped machine gun. Well, in short, despite his lack of character depth, there is nothing to dislike about Tunnel Rat. Well, when it comes to Tunnel Rat, it often links uh, this particular character, not this character, I mean it's a like soldier base to the Vietnam War era, where Tunnel Rat is a term which is often known for the combat engineers. Well, they are responsible to find and disarm explosives in tunnel and underground spaces. Now imagine that you are doing this kind of deadly job and you have to be, having quick decision making powers and everything. Well, according to the card back, Fun School G.I. Joe Tunnel Rat was produced in 1998, but the leg mark stamp of 1990 that emulates Sonic Fighter Tunnel Rat. Let me just quickly show you his leg mark. I don't know whether camera can able to catch that or not. But let me just try. See this? It's clearly mentioned over here. Alright, let me just quickly read his file card. The code name is Tunnel Rat Blaster. File name Lee Nicky. Primary military specialty bomb disposal expert. Secondary military specialty combat engineer. Birthplace Brooklyn, New York. Well, Tunnel Rat has been known for many years as an expert on small arms used by NATO and on all explosive devices used by the Warsaw Pact forces. He hand-to-hand combat prowess on and beneath the ground made him the ideal recruit as a GI Joe. Okay. After working for 5 years with traditional weapons in simulated combat situation, Tunnel Rat seized the opportunity to join an elite unit comprising veteran equipped with the most sophisticated and revolutionary arms. Okay. When Tunnel Rat heard that Cobras, he reacted out of his tunnel so fast that the rush of air caused a landslide. He sure could not wait even 1 second longer to see them when he was going to fire 1000 shots per minute at a distance of less than 2 meters from them. Okay, he must be very fast to react and draw. Tunnel Rat had a couple of versions, V1, V2. The first version was obviously from the Sonic, actually known as Sonic figure, and later on the figure had green shirt and backpack with torch on it. It looks something like this. Okay. Well, okay, just let me just quickly show you his articulation. Head swivels up till here, here, up and down. Standard O-ring figure. Having this elbow joint on both the hands. Hands rotates full 360 degree, but right now they are too tight to rotate. Knees bend up till here. Okay, so appearance wise, his deep red shirt looks really nice and classic. Pants are brown in color. He's sporting some stylish red shoes, which are really striking. Well, I like his grenade on his chest out in the green. Look at this chest grenade. Follow by that at the bottom, you can see this chest holstered pistol, which is silver in color. Well, the bullets on the back side here, on the bandolier, okay, this is how we pronounce, on the back side. They look same as the Hasbro version, 1 and 2. Well, the most striking feature on this particular figure is his face sculpt. It is so nice and finely sculpted, and the highlighted thing is the camouflage face paint, which is also referred as war paint. It looks really stunning. It really adds get up to this figure. Right, accessory wise, this Fun School Tunnel Rat comes with bizarre looking machine gun with a giant scope on it, and it is full black in color, and he gets brown version of Night Viper's backpack. Well, it is very striking and it adds overall charm to this figure, but this figure is very expensive and difficult to get nowadays. So if you get able to purchase or get this figure anywhere, then go and grab it. So that's it, guys. That's it about Tunnel Rat Blaster from my side. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more G.I. Joe reviews. So bye bye, guys, and remember one thing: Yo Joe.